New at 4:30 now, some Marion County neighbors are banding together to push back against a proposed development that would bring hundreds of homes to their community.
They want the court to get involved. News 6's Carolina Cardona spoke to homeowners concerned with this sudden boomtown.
I believe that this development would ultimately bring down quality of life.
Mira Korber is putting up a fight against the Marion County Board of Commissioners.
It's a petition to appeal a decision made by Marion County Board of Commissioners.
The petition seeks a judicial review of the rezoning application submitted by Calabrax Ocala, Ontario, and approved by County Commissioners November 15th. Residents who oppose the decision say the county failed to meet essential requirements of law by approving a planned development rezoning.
The development would have adverse impacts to the public interest, including traffic concerns, infrastructure concerns, sanitary sewer.
Developers plan to build hundreds of townhomes, apartments, and single-family homes just 20 feet from Mira's home in Ocala, near Southwest 60th Avenue and north of State Road 200. Mira says the development wouldn't be compatible with existing agricultural developments around the property.
In land planning principles, the idea is to go from the most dense urban density down to high, medium, low, and eventually agriculture. In the conceptual plan presented, there was no transition between the two.
To drop a city in the middle of all that is just...
Makes no sense?
No, it's not. Yes, it's incomprehensible.
Kathy Dale is one of the 9 residents seeking legal action against the county with this petition.
But there's a lot of elderly people that live back here. They've been here for years and years, and I don't see how they'd ever be able to get a fire truck or an ambulance through the kind of traffic they're talking about on this 20-foot road.
We reached out to Marion County Board of Commissioners for comment. In a statement, they said they felt it is not appropriate to discuss details of the case that's currently in litigation.
What would you like to say to your county commissioners?
There's 130,000 parcels that are already rezoned for development, 66% of which are in the southwestern part of the county. Go east, go north, go south.
I feel like the residents in this particular area have been treated like a necessary inconvenience, that our concerns have not been adequately received despite being grounded in fact.
In Ocala, Carolina Cardona, News 6.